Hello and good day. This is Francis from SBP Solutions Limited and welcome to this wonderful podcast. We plan to bring you this podcast each and every week. We feel that the content that we'll be discussing will be very important and necessary and very helpful to both job seekers and those that are gainfully employed. This week, we'll be discussing the basic package. But before we do so, we would like to take a few minutes to explain who we are. We are SBP Solutions Limited and we are an HR firm. There are various services that we offer. We offer recruitment and training. We offer career development. We also offer international business development and career coaching. We have a plethora of clients all across the country. Some of these clients are Indomie, Rana Motors, Melcom, Pepsi, and a host of others. We are currently managing over 800 workers in various companies in the country. So we have a fair idea on the needs of these companies. We also handle the payroll of workers all across the country. Like I said, we manage the grievances of workers and any problem or incident that require our services. We do this remotely, but we also have footmen that visit these companies and also stay with these companies and take stock of whatever happens in and around the company. Our workers are very vibrant and they work to achieve common goals that are set as our mission. We also have an impressive website, and this website is basically designed to assist both job seekers and companies to interact with each other and achieve common goal. Job seekers or candidates can create free accounts on our website and can populate it with a resume which is meant to attract companies. Companies can also have their own dashboard where they can also manage a pool of candidates who have applied to jobs on our platform. So our website is uniquely designed to assist both job seekers and also companies alike. Any company can sign up and seek for candidates on our platform. You can begin by visiting our website www.sbpafrica.com, but we entreat you to click on the notification bell so that whenever we upload or we post any new job vacancies, you will receive this notification, especially when you are browsing or using the computer. We are located in Asalubutwe Shell Filling Station, New Market. We are on Google Maps, so you can easily Google our name, that is SVP Solutions Limited, and follow Google Map to our offices. So there was a time we noticed that a lot of jobs that we place on our platform and on other platforms, the candidates who applied to these jobs did not qualify for the roles they were applying for. Although they had the best of interest at heart, but they were not applying because they were qualified. They were applying because they felt frustrated, and not being able to apply was equal to not landing a job. So they felt that by applying to increase their chances of landing a job, even though they did not qualify. Perhaps they may have relied on a whimsical fate, thinking that by applying to any particular job that were available, God or some external force will be able to influence the outcome of these CVs, and for that matter, they were confident that they will be landing a job. We also noticed that a lot of candidates did not apply to a professional CV. They applied, but their CV disqualified them. Some of them also took liberty of templates of CVs online, because there are available platforms online where you can easily fill your details and it will generate a CV for you. Because these CVs are very attractive to look at, they presume that because the CVs were attractive, it will somehow land them an interview. These reasons and others led us to come up with a package known as the basic plan. The basic plan or the basic package is one of our career development plan or packages designed for entry-level candidates. The basic plan includes resume rewrite and review, career search updates, career placements, and industry updates. Creating an impeccable written professional resume can be an overwhelming task, especially when you consider how much depends on this one piece of paper. Naturally, when you write a resume, the ultimate goal will be to impress the person who will be reading it. You will want to highlight all your skills, expertise, and experience so you can land that interview. This is where we come in. We rewrite your resume for you, making sure that the resume is compatible to the role you are applying for. So this is a major thing we do when we rewrite your resume for you. Also, we make sure that we put you on what we call a career placement or job placement. A career placement or a job placement is a service that educational institutions, employment agencies, and recruiters offer to help individuals find work. Examples of placement programs include a university helping students find internships and practice interviewing, an employment agency offering vocational counseling and job leads to job seekers, among others. Depending on where you receive placement services, the program may be free or you may be responsible to pay for some or all of the costs. Other services included in the basic package is what we call the career search update. If you are a job seeker or you are gainfully employed and you want to receive updates of jobs that pertain to the industry that you seek employment in, then this package will be very good for you. Since it's a basic package, we offer career search update. Predominantly, people can receive free updates on jobs that are available on our platform when they subscribe to receive notification on jobs that we place on our platform. Alternatively, when someone registers for the basic package, we put them in a category and we make sure that whenever there are jobs that fall within the category they applied for under the basic package, we send them a notification to alert them of the availability of jobs that are within that particular category. So this is the main reason we factored the career search update as part of the basic plan. Under the basic plan, we also have the industry updates. These industry updates are summaries of the latest commercial, technological, and product development in the joining industry, taken from the recent newsletters, newspapers, or journals online. So next week, we'll be discussing a very interesting question raised by one of our candidates. The question was, they wanted to find out why they should pay to land a job if they are unemployed. Simply put, why should they pay or subscribe to a package when they are unemployed? The notion is very simple. Since they are unemployed, how are they supposed to make money and, for that matter, subscribe to a package that is actually going to help them before they land a job? And next week, we will seek the expert advice of one of our executives on this regard. So watch out for our newest podcast that we will drop next week. If you have any question or you feel we should discuss a particular topic, let us know by sending us a WhatsApp message and we'll be more than happy to discuss this issue. Thank you for listening to us and enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.